He drew the ire of the public because of this 2018 viral video. Then ACTS OFW Party List Representative John Bertiz refused to take off his shoes at the airport screening area and confronted the personnel during security inspection. 2 years later, President Duterte appoints him to TESDA. Bertiz joins TESDA amid the return of around 300,000 OFWs due to the COVID-19 crisis. Bertiz has taken his oath of office before TESDA Director General Secretary Isidro La Peña. The former lawmaker takes over the position vacated by Gladys Rosales, who died in April due to COVID-19. In a statement, Bertiz thanked the president for the trust bestowed upon him.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.